How to zoom in on a waveform in Ocenaudio. First of all, make sure you have your audio file open in Ocenaudio. Once your file is loaded, look at the screen where you will see the waveform displayed. Next, locate the zoom controls. You will find the plus and minus icon near the top right of the waveform display. To zoom in, click the plus sign. Each click will zoom in further, allowing you to view more details in the waveform. You can also use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out quickly. Scroll your mouse wheel forward to zoom in and scroll it backward to zoom out. If you want to zoom in on a specific area, simply click and drag to highlight that section of the waveform. Then, use the zoom controls to focus on that selected part of the audio. Additionally, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and the plus symbol to zoom in and Ctrl plus minus symbol to zoom out. These shortcuts are great for quick navigation when editing your audio. And that's it, now you know how to zoom in on a waveform in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.